Getting an encoding error in HandBrake. Encoding can fail because of a damaged source file, unsupported settings, insufficient storage, permissions, or other system issues. In this tutorial, I'll show you several ways to fix HandBrake encoding errors in 2026. So, let's get started. First, make sure the source video can actually be played normally. Open the file in a media player and check for freezing, corruption, or other playback problems. If the source file itself is damaged, HandBrake may not be able to read or encode it correctly. Next, check the folder you're using for the output file. Make sure the drive has enough free storage and that you have permission to save files there. Large video encodes can require significant free space, so this is worth checking before trying again. If the error continues, reset your settings by selecting a standard HandBrake preset. This can help rule out a combination of settings that your source or system doesn't handle correctly. Start simple first, then add custom settings one at a time if you need them. Now open the video and filters settings. Try a different supported video encoder and temporarily disable filters or processing options that you don't actually need. Take a moment to test the encode after each major change. That makes it easier to identify which setting is causing the problem. If HandBrake continues to fail, check whether you're using the latest version. If the installation appears damaged, uninstall HandBrake and install a fresh copy from the official source. After reinstalling, try the default settings first before restoring your previous custom configuration. Finally, load a small video and perform a short test encode using a standard preset. If that works, gradually return to your original settings and test again. So this approach can help you determine whether the problem comes from the source file, your settings, or the HandBrake installation. And that's how to troubleshoot HandBrake encoding errors. Check the source file, make sure you have enough storage, try a standard preset, review your encoder and filters, and update or reinstall HandBrake if necessary. Testing one change at a time is usually the easiest way to find the problem. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.